Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. We've got something interesting here from Oknife. This is the new S1 O-Sheath that they have, come out with to kind of pair with some of their products. Now, it was specifically designed to hold like the Arcfeld Ark Pro series flashlights, some of the more slender O-knives like the Aeon, Duron, so on, so forth, and the O-Pen Mini 2. Now, when it talks about the O-Pen Mini 2, it says the locked version, and I'm gonna kind of go over that a little bit. But overall, this is a really, really nice Italian leather sheath. The sheath is really, it seems to be really well made. The stitching, of course, you've got brass rivets. You've got a brass eyelet up there. That's the word I was looking for. You've got a D-ring down here if you want to put your keys or something like that. Snap another tool to. I probably wouldn't, just me, because it's going to hang pretty low. Now, you guys know that I don't carry, a big, bulky sheath. I mean, I'm where I work, sometimes it's a little bit, close quarters and stuff like that. You guys know I carry this one quite a bit because it's very low profile, and you can tell it hugs my body there. Well, this one it's not bad. Now, with the Arcfeld or something in there, obviously you can see it kind of protrudes out a little bit. I've been wearing it for the past few days, and it's actually been really, really nice. Now, you've got belt loops on the back. Of course, they have snaps too if you need to, maybe snap it onto a backpack or something like that if you'd rather. Or maybe for easier access, getting it on and off your belt so you don't have to take your belt off. Which, there again, for me, that is kind of can be a good situation because some of the places I have to go, I could always take it off beforehand. But if I, forget or something, and I'm getting ready to go into an area where I'm not allowed to have certain stuff, I can just pop it open, pop it off my belt, and I'm good to go. Which is good. I like that. It's a good feature. But like I said, it's originally designed for the Arcfeld Ark Pro. Some certain, and you can tell, I have the Ark Pro in there. That's what I have in there. Now, have I been carrying the Ark Pro? No, I've been carrying other stuff as well. Because, it'll fit. Like here, I've got a beagle in here. This isn't one that they mentioned, but it's a smaller knife. So if you wanted to go that Ark, you got to kind of press up on the clip. Sometimes if it's a little bit bigger knife like this, you might have to press on the clip to kind of help bring it out of the sheath. But that's just kind of I set it up like this to show what the purpose was. But I've been carrying it, many different ways. If you've been watching on Instagram, at first I had a flash, I had just a regular old i5 over there, and I had, just a knife sticking in there. Of course, I had the pocket clip out, so I recommend putting the pocket clip out because, as you can see there, non-intentional, but good demonstration, it helps it get it out of the pocket, like that. So, back to the whole O-Pen Mini. Ooh, excuse me. Doggone. Bumped it. So, the O-Pen Mini. It says O-Pen Mini 2 locked version. Now, I'm not exactly sure what it's talking about when it says locked version. I'm not familiar with the locked version of the O-Pen Mini 2. If you know, then go ahead. But when I was putting the O-Pen Mini 2 in there, because of course you've got the pencil up here, you've got to be kind of watch how you put it in because of the actuator back here. If you get it off, it's going to start pressing, that's the word, that pencil tip up, and it will poke you, trust me. So you kind of got to put it off to the side, make sure that is like so, and even then it's starting to poke up a little bit. You can lock it, and I'm guessing this is what they're talking about. lock it into the pen position, and then you can put it in and not really worry about it as much. But there again, your pencil or your pen tip is going to be exposed, and you know, it can get, is that really a big thing? Probably not. But that was just something I noticed when you're putting it in and out. If you're using the Mini 2, be careful. Or, where'd it go? I had a regular, oh, there it is. I put it back. I've got the regular, just good old O-Pen Mini that doesn't have the pencil. I mean, that you don't have to worry about. You can just press it down on top, and you don't have to worry about getting poked. Trust me, I found out the hard way. I got jabbed a couple of times. So, you know, and I don't know, it's going to have to be a slender pen. Let's try a regular, I mean, will it go in there? Yeah, it will. Oh, there, we pushed the laser on. The laser's over there. So, okay, maybe that's not the best idea. Maybe we don't want to try a large size O-Pen. Maybe not. Okay. So, yeah, O-Pen Mini. And like I said, if you're going to use the Mini 2 with the pencil attachment, yeah, just be careful. Either lock it open and have it like that, or, you know, just be careful. Instead of putting it straight down, you kind of turn it off to the side like so. Did I get poked? Okay, I'm going to try. Okay, I didn't get poked that time. So, it's actually, I'm really digging it because, like I said, well, the main reason why I'm digging it, because actually if I can, you know, if I want to carry the Arcfeld, okay, I can do that. The Arcfeld is probably a little bit large that I don't pocket carry it. You know, I have it in my vehicle, have it in the house, of course. So this gives me the ability to carry the Arcfeld without it being in my pocket, which I like, but still having it on me. And it's close to the body, it's low profile, and I really, really like that, because if I keep, you know, a knife in here, it actually, not that my knives I've ever really had an issue with knives in my pocket, been carrying them forever. You know, you're not going to be able to carry a larger knife in here, but if you go this size, let's see, something the size of a PM2. Yeah, I mean, even something the size of the PM2. Is it going to, yeah, it'll fit in there. You know, that's kind of a wide knife. It's got a wide profile, but it sits in there very nicely. It frees up your pocket. So, I'm a fan. I am a fan of the O-Sheath S1. I think it's a cool innovation. Like I said, it had specific products in mind. Obviously, it's an O-Knife, O-Light, you know, sister companies. It makes sense, but it's much more versatile. You can definitely go, I mean, if you wanted to, you know, you could do a knife and maybe your all-access pass or something like that. You know, something a little bit larger than a skinny flashlight like an Aeon or Duron, one of those. I dig it. Now, right now, and they weren't sure how long it was going to last. They said initially 10 days, and I'm kind of getting on the end of that 10 days. But it's on sale for $39.99. This is a very, very nice product for $40. Originally priced at $50, but they're doing $39.99 right now. So, you know, if you see this in a few days, the price may go up. They did tell me that they were thinking about extending the price, so don't quote me if it's not exactly $39.99 when you go to buy it. You know, they may have decided to go back to regular price. Now, it's $39.99 on the O-Knife website. It is available on Amazon, but on Amazon it is priced at the $49.99. So, I'll leave the link to the O-Knife website. Go check it out. Feel free if you would like. At one point, I had an O-Knife code. I will probably stick that down in the description, and I'll stick it down in the comments. Give it a try. If it works, it might save you a little bit more. Not sure. Oh, it's usually on non-sale items, so it might not work. So, anyway, 40, vice 50. you're still getting, what, 20% off? So that's not too bad. So huge shout out to O-Sheath for sending this, or O-Knife for sending out the O-Sheath S1. I dig it. I am liking it a lot, and it honestly will probably make it into my regular carry. That's how much I'm liking it. So, very cool. Thanks again, O-Knife, for sending out the O-Sheath S1. Thank you guys for stopping by and checking it out with me today. As always, like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.